Baseline. Garcia from behind hatchets the ball away. Knocked out of bounds. Sonics get it back with 10 to shoot.
Well, good move by Seattle to go inside to Wilcox, but what he has to do is he's got to double team and he has to see what the spacing is, because if they're going to come back and double team, make them pay.